Hello, I'm going to introduce each of these planes and then I'm going to show you more things in this video. So the first plane I wanted to show you about the original dart plane. It is a plane which most people know how to do, and it's basically like the normal airplane except you fold the wings and then you fold it. This is a modified version of the dart. It has sellotape which keeps it more secured, and it goes a bit more further than the dart. The next one I want to talk about is a much better version of the dart, and it's more modified. It has something to keep it secure. It has these kind of fins which let it travel more quicker, and you fold the nose. So it looks slightly different. The next plane I want to talk about is this one, and it is actually what do you call it? A Suvan, which is the world record plane. I'm not really good at throwing, so I can't throw it really far. 226 feet. So the next plane is what I want to talk about. I don't know the official name, so I'm just going to call it the glider, and it is a type of glider. The next three planes are the same planes, but some of them have been made better than each other. So this plane is called Bulldog, and it's quite easy to make. The next plane I want to talk about is this. It's another glider. It's a glider. Also like the other one, I don't know what it's called, so I'll just say it's a glider. So this is a bat plane. So it's supposed to flap its wings if you throw it properly, and it's a glider, so you can't throw it very hard, and it flies gracefully. So these two are both, they look like gliders a bit because of their long wings, slightly long wings, but they're actually both darts, and they're called a dark stealth. And if folded and thrown properly, it can go very fast. That's why it's called a stealth plane. The next plane is another Suvan, and this one is my favorite plane. It's called the Arrowhead. So now let's try each of these planes. So first, the dart modified slightly with the sellotape. Don't went that far. Right. And also this is called an Invictus. But while I was making it, I skipped a few steps, so I made it very quickly. Let's try that and fly.
Nice one.
So then this one is the non-modified dart. Not very good control. And this is a Bulldog dart. We went furthest, nearly furthest so far. This is the fully modified dart. Yep. Now this is this Suvan, which is the world record. This is another, I think, Bulldog dart. The wind. So this is I think it's a neatly folded Bulldog, so it should go really far. Fella. That's kind of bad, you know. So this is another Bulldog. It should go well. Those ones are not really good, so they're prone to wind. So this is a glider. So it doesn't work very well with distance. It's mostly known for its flight and graceful sliding. So, okay, I'll try it.
Ooh.
I think this is Bulldog. Lots of Bulldogs. It used to be my favorite plane before the Arrowhead. So this is a glider, the bat plane. The bat glider, I'm going to call it that. So remember, I have to throw it very gently and then it tries to make even more distance. That's what's cool about gliders. I haven't really mastered making the bat fully. So this is the stealth dark. I might have to throw a few times because it's hard to do in one look. Luckily I have another one. I might try again. Okay, I'm going to try again this because it does do good, but not in wind.
Oh.
No, that's not good.
That was really good.
No, it went there.
Yeah, it took almost round circle and went there.
Yeah, but it's not good.
Okay, let's throw your best plane.
So this might not make the furthest, but I really like it. It's the arrowhead and it's easy to make. So far the arrowhead went the furthest. So thank you for watching, and I hope you make some planes and tell which type you make, and then put them in the comments. And try not to stay with the darts, and you learn how to make different type of planes. Okay? Bye.